Hello everyone, welcome to rysonsspraybooth, and in this video I will tell you 5 steps that you will have to follow to take a dent out from your vehicle. So let's get the video started. So the moment you see a dent on your car, the first step that you will have to follow is take that dent out. Now there are various techniques to take the dent out. You can use any of them and take that dent out first. So once you're done taking that dent out, the place where you have taken that dent out, it will be uneven and up and down, which takes us to step number 2. And step number 2 is filling up the body filler. So once you fill the body filler, still your dent will not be even, it will be up and down, and that takes us to the third step. And the third step is leveling the body filler. So once you're done leveling the body filler, and once you acquire that nice and smooth finish which blends nicely with the surrounding surface, you are now ready to go to the fourth step, and the fourth step is applying the primer. So apply the necessary primer, and once you apply the primer, you should not be able to make out that you have applied body filler underneath that primer. It should be so smooth. So once you acquire that, you are almost done, and which takes us to the next step, which is the fifth step. And the fifth step is applying the base coat and the clear coat. Now applying the base coat and the clear coat I have put in one step, because you can't apply base coat on one day and wait for one day and apply the clear coat on the next day. No, you can't do that. You'll have to finish the process on the same day. So once you are done applying the base coat, let the flash time pass by, and then you can apply the clear coat. Once you are done applying the clear coat, you are done taking out the dent. So now you know the steps, but how to go about on the steps? And if you want to take a dent out from your car, how to follow these steps in depth? Like how to mix the paints, how to do the sanding, how to apply the body filler, and all those things. If you want to do by yourself, and if you are wondering how, then I have put a link of my course in the description below, where I teach everything step by step and in depth. So if you want to learn autobody and painting seriously, then go there and get yourself enrolled, and I will see you guys on the inside. So if you like this particular video, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.